Hello students, how are you? I am very glad to meet you once again in the e-learning class. Today we are going to learn the chapter The Use of A or An.
Use of a or an. In English grammar, a and an are known as indefinite articles. We use a before the word beginning with a consonant or a vowel with a consonant sound. Let us see some examples. A man, a hat, a university, a European, a 1 rupee note. Now in these examples you see a man. Now man is the word starting with a consonant and sound consonant. A man. So we use before man a. A hat. A hat. We use a before hat because h is a consonant. A university. Now, though in this example, university, though it is starting with u, but it is a vowel, but it makes a sound y, u, y, and y is not a vowel. According to that, we need to use a before university. Before university, we should use a. A European. Now, European, it starts with E. It is a vowel, but it makes sound y, and y is not a vowel. So, we use before European, a European. A 1 rupee note. In this example also, though O is a vowel, but it won't make a sound vowel. It makes a sound as a consonant. So, we use a before a 1 rupee note. We use an before word beginning with a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel. And we use an before the beginning of silent H. We use an before the word beginning with a vowel or a vowel sound or beginning with a silent H. Let us see some example. An apple. An egg, an onion, an uncle, an ink pot, an hour, an MP, an MA, an X. Let us see one by one these examples. An apple. Now A is a vowel. Before vowel we use an. Before vowel we use an. An apple. An egg. An onion. E and O is also, E and O are also vowels, so we use an before these words. An uncle. An ink pot. Now I is also a vowel, U is also a vowel, so we use an before these words. An hour. Now though this H is a consonant, but it makes sound a. It is a silent H. So we use an before hour. An MP. An MA. An MP. M is a consonant, but it makes sound A. So we use an MP. An MA. An X. X, when we are pronouncing, we make a sound A first. So we use an X. A and an is used before a singular noun which is countable. A and an is not used before uncountable nouns. Now students, let us solve first exercise. First question, that is fill in the blanks with a or an. Copper is dash useful metal. Now before this gap we have to use any article. Now useful, though this useful is this word is start with vowel, but it makes sound y. So we use copper is a useful metal. He is not dash honest man. Now here H is silent, it makes sound so we use an. He is not an honest man. Banaras is dash holy city. Holy, it makes a consonant. It is a consonant, so we use a holy city. Aladdin had dash wonderful lamp. Now, wonderful is a consonant, and in this gap we should use a before the consonant. Aladdin had a wonderful lamp. He returned after dash hour. Hour, H silent, so we use here an. He returned after an hour. Yesterday, dash European came to my house. Yesterday dash European came to our shop. Now before European we should use a before because this makes sound y. Sanskrit is a difficult language. French is dash easy language. Now easy, it is a vowel, so we use an easy language. Misha has come without umbrella. Umbrella is a vowel, so we use an before umbrella. She is dash ugly girl. Ugly is a vowel, it makes sound of vowel, so we use an ugly girl. I found dash egg in the nest. An egg in the nest because E is a vowel. I bought dash horse and dash ox. I bought a horse because H is a consonant. A horse and an ox because O is a vowel. He looks as stupid as dash owl. Owl is a vowel, so we use an before owl. I met him dash year ago. Year, Y is a consonant, so we use a year and a or an where necessary. Put a cross where neither a or an is required. Now in this exercise you see, let us see one more example, one more question. Add a or an where necessary. Put a cross where neither a or an is required. Remember, only countables take a or an. A singular countable noun we use a before singular countable noun we use a or an. Add a or an where necessary. Put a cross where neither a or an is required. Remember, only countables take a or an, means we should use a or an before singular countable noun. Let us see in this exercise. Number 1, first, dash cat has dash tail. Now cat, C is a consonant, so we use a cat has a tail. Tail is a T is a consonant. A dash coat is made of dash wood. Now C is a consonant, so we use a coat, singular consonant word, countable noun. So a coat is made of dash wood. Here we should not use any article before wood because it is uncountable noun. Dash piano makes dash music. A piano. Piano is a singular countable noun, so we use a piano. Makes music. Music is uncountable, so we should not use any article before music. Dash iron is dash metal. Now iron is a name of a metal. So we should not use any article before the metal. Iron is a metal. It is counted, so we are using a metal. Dash chair is made of wood. A chair is a singular countable noun, so we use a chair is made of wood. Wood is uncountable. We should not use any article before wood. A ring is made of dash gold or silver. Now before gold or silver, we should not use any article. Dash coffee is dash drink. Coffee is uncountable, so we should not use any article before coffee. Is a drink. We should use a because a drink, it is generally talk about drink. We can write dash letter on we can write dash letter on dash paper. We can write a letter on paper. We should not use any article before paper because it is a material noun. An orange grows on a tree. Orange, O is a vowel, so use an orange grows on a tree. We eat dash soup with a spoon. Soup is a uncountable, so no article before soup. With a spoon. A cow eats dash grass in dash summer. A cow. Before we can use cow, a cow eats grass. No article is used before grass. In summer, no article used before season. So, a cow eats grass in summer. A fish swims in dash water. A fish we are telling because we are talking about a particular fish. A fish swims in water. Fish is uncountable. We won't use any article before fish. But here we are talking about a particular fish. So we can use a fish. A fish swims in dash water. I like dash jam on dash piece of dash bread. I like jam. No article used before jam. I like jam on a piece of bread. No article is used before bread. I can write dash letter in dash ink or with dash pen. I can write a letter in ink with a pen. No article is used before ink. Students, let us see the third exercise. Now here are the sentences given in singular noun and we have to make in plural. Don't use a or an before plural noun. A cow gives milk. A cow is a singular noun. We have to change it to plural. Cows give milk. A cat eats meat. Now a cat is a singular. Make it plural. Cats eat meat. A writer writes a book. A writer. Writer is a singular. Make it plural. Writers. Writers write a book. When the subject is singular, we should add yes or es to the verb. But when we make the subject into plural, we should not use yes or es with the verb. So, writers write a book. A dog hates a cat. A dog is a singular subject. Make it plural. Dogs hate a cat. A girl likes a sweet. Now a girl is a singular. Make it plural. Girls like sweets. An apple grows on a tree. An apple, singular, make it plural. Apples grow on tree. A garden has a tree. Gardens have trees. Now, when the subject is singular, we should use singular verb. When the subject is plural, we should use plural verb. Gardens have trees. A box has a lid. Boxes have lids. Students, let us see the last exercise, and the question is put into the singular. Now here are the questions with the plural nouns, and we have to change these nouns into singular form. Now first one is, once again I am reminding you that we should use a or an with singular countable noun. Let us see. Number 1, coats have collars. Now coats is a plural noun. Make it singular, a coat. Now use a singular verb, has. A coat has a collar. Postmen wear caps. Now make a singular noun of postman, a postman. A postman wears a cap. Classrooms have blackboards. A classroom has a blackboard. Houses have roofs. A house has roof. Pounds buy more than shillings. A pound buys more than a shilling. Cats like milk. A cat likes milk. Dogs are animals. A dog is an animal.
Students, let us revise this chapter. We use a or an before singular countable noun. A we use before the consonant sound and an we use before the vowel sound. Yes, let us see. Now egg. Egg, E is a vowel, so we use an egg. Table. T is a consonant, so we use a table. Bench. B is a consonant, so we use a bench. MP. Though it is a consonant, but it makes sound A. MP. So we use an MP. Wood. Wood is a uncountable noun, so we should not use any article before wood. Coffee. Coffee is also uncountable noun, so we should not use any article here. So students, you might have understand the concept of these articles a or an. Stay home, stay safe.